guys, welcome. How have you been? I'm fine, thank you. Are you guys practicing? Yes? No? Maybe? Anywho, today we have a very beautiful piece. It's called Across the Stars. It was a theme for Anakin and Padme in Star Wars prequel, I think episode 2. When I first heard it, I was really blown away by the melody. Maestro John Williams never disappoints. Anyway, I was looking to do this one for quite some time, but it was really long, so I searched YouTube for suitable arrangement, and I found this wonderful guitarist, Daria Semikina. I hope I'm pronouncing that correct. And her arrangement is stunning, so I thought I would jot down the notes for you so you guys can play along with her. So without further ado, let's go to the music right there. Before we begin, quick disclaimer, because I was jotting these notes down by ear, I'm not entirely sure my key signatures and time signatures are 100% correct, but I am confident if you learn what is written here, you can play along with the guitar arrangement, no problem. Alright, so let's begin. Okay, so let's get the fingering out the way. This is number 1, this is number 2, this is number 3, this is number 4. This is 1, this low 1, 2, low 2, 3, high 3, 4, low 4. And there's a rhythm, you might not be familiar with it. It's called a triplet. Triplet means you're gonna fit 3 notes into 1 beat. So usually it's 2 8th note going to quarter note like this. But if you see a triplet, you go. So triplet, and then regular, triplet. You get the difference? Yeah, so there's many of them, so watch out. Okay, let's begin. Fade. Fade. Crescendo there. Fade, going to third line. That's not triplet, okay? Only the ones, the 3 on the top are the triplet. So then this is triplet. Make sure you do low 2, high 3, and then 4. You want to do 4 instead of 0, because 0 on the E string is a little too bright, so you don't want to sound like this. Okay, going to 4th line. Fade. High 3. You can do 0 here, because A string is not as brassy as the E string. So, and fade. Now here comes a really hard part. You can not play it and just come back at the main melody, the last line, but I really encourage you to learn it and play along. I think it will be good for you. So, starting from E3, and then low 4, 3, low 2, low 1, and then regular 1, low 1, low 4 on the D string, and then just kind of flatten your pinky to next on the A string, low 4, D2, low 2, one more time. Okay, you hold that, then the next set. Low 2, 1, G3, 1, low 1, low 2, D, low 4, and then low 2. Okay, and then you have 3 bars of rest, and then you come in when she comes back with the main melody. Okay, going to final line, starting from A2, but this time you're gonna have to really press and dig on the string, make that really forte sound. Okay, moving on to next page. Then third position, 1, 2, 3. Make sure you vibrate a lot. Okay, and then going back to first position. Gonna crescendo and then decrescendo. So one more time. Other one. Then low 1. So low 1, regular 2, 1. Okay. Okay. Moving on. Make sure you do 4. Okay. Another 4. Same thing. Low 1, regular 2, regular 1. Fade. Then kind of somber mood here. Fade. 1, 2. Then final note's gonna be low 1 on T string. Okay, so that's the piece. Beautiful, yeah. I think it's really beneficial for you to learn this one. And I'll show it off in your orchestra class. Just a quick thing. When we come back to the original theme at the end, from here, she does slow down quite a bit, so watch out. We don't go super fast. Try to follow along, and always think about phrasing and dynamics and put your emotion into this piece. It's a love song. Think of someone who you love. Anyway, make sure you guys check out our arrangement. It's really, really beautiful. I'll leave a link in the description. Thank you guys always for watching. Until next time, please like and subscribe.